This tutorial is going to show you how to create a part on Sketchfab. So if you go to our portfolio example, you can see that we can click on all these parts and rotate them around. So the first thing you need to go to is sketchfab.com and click on sign up and then fill out all this information and follow the prompts there. Once you're signed up, you can get logged in and you can start uploading your files from there. So once you are signed in, you're going to go to Inventor. You're going to open up your part. Then you'll go to Inventor, Export CAD Format. And you will select STL as your file type. And then just make sure to save that file in the right location. Then you can go back to Sketchfab and upload this file. Hit Choose File, and you can find where you save that file and upload it. And hit Continue. Make sure it's named properly, how you want it named, and hit Continue. Now you notice you can rotate your part around. You have the option to edit 3D settings, so feel free to adjust your settings in here. You can edit the color, lighting, where your part is located, so feel free to edit any of that information. Once you are satisfied with your edits, you can go publish, and you can publish your part, and make sure to copy this link so that you can embed it into your portfolio. Embed your part file, you can hit OK, and then your part will open up on its own, and you can click on the embed link. Once your embed code pops up, you can hit Control C and go back to your site. And go to Insert, HTML box, copy and paste that code in, hit Save, and then your HTML box will pop up.